All right, I want to try this again, mostly because I'm not sure if it worked last time. Okay, hello and welcome to this market update. I want to talk a little bit about inflation and whether or not the top is in on the legacy market. It's hard to tell. It's complicated. I say inflation because that's kind of where my thesis leads. The top, it doesn't feel, it doesn't feel like we've got a top forming here from a price action perspective in legacy. However, I just can't, I can't look at this and be bullish. If that makes sense. So this is just not what bear markets look like. They shouldn't recover this strongly. If you look back here, they retest under the 20-week. Sorry, right here. When they recover the 20-week, when they make that kind of sustained back to an all-time high nearly on SPY, on the NASDAQ 100, it is at an all-time high. That's supposed to be the end. It's new bull market. Go for it. But the economy's not there. We're not seeing that with the economy. So that's what confuses me. And if I combine this with some other stuff, it makes me feel like, okay, maybe we have an inflationary situation here. For instance, if you just look at gold on a monthly, it looks like it's about to scream into an all-time high. Even if you look at silver, looks like it's ready to follow. It's been lagging, but it looks ready to break out. If you look at the dollar, it looks like it blew off the top and is showing weakness now, like it could break down. If we get a weakening dollar, strong on gold, weak economy, but the market keeps going up, to me, that spells inflation. We haven't seen significant inflation in many decades, really since the 70s, anything significant. And I think it's going to be tough to say exactly how it's going to affect everything. I've been wanting equity downside. I've been wanting to say, like, okay, this is stupid. This is just a bearish retest and down we go. That's more deflationary. But there's no yield. There's no yield in bonds. There's no yield in other assets. And people are sticking with equities. More so, they're going top heavy. NASDAQ 100, super strong. Even within the NASDAQ 100, 6 companies have like half the breadth, half the market cap. So there's no breadth. So these could keep getting bid. Money could keep flowing into the strongest companies. And it could just be more of the same. Complete disbelief. The value looks like crap because the real earnings don't support it. But the value relative to where you can get yield elsewhere is the best bad option. So it leads me to believe that maybe inflation is here. Maybe that is what we're going to see. Do we see it in real prices yet? Do we see it in the cost of goods and things? I don't know. I've heard housing is booming right now, which doesn't make sense for a crappy economy. I do think the economy is truly bad. Like, I don't think the economy's there, but maybe we're seeing people flush with money in a bad economy. We're seeing a live experiment. What can happen when the Fed goes for it and just prints and prints and prints, whatever it takes. I refuse to get bearish on Bitcoin in that scenario. Is this a retest? I don't know. I can't personally buy equities here and feel confident about it. So I'm looking for what are some other plays that I can consider. Silver is one. Gold is one. Gold miners is one. Trying to play the chart and the logic a little bit. I don't know. I thought maybe we'd get this retest. We didn't. It just looks like it wants to go for it. I don't think every argument is there for inflation, but it's kind of the best answer I got. All right. Hope that was helpful. Let me know. Talk to you later.